On another matter, unaccountable international judicial juntas have made headlines in recent weeks. First, it was the self-aggrandizing International Criminal Court, whose rogue prosecutors sought preposterous arrest warrants for Israeli leaders in a grotesque attempt to draw moral equivalence with Hamas terrorists. Not to be outdone, the unelected and unaccountable International Tribunal for the Law of the Sea has issued an advisory opinion that seeks to establish an international law requirement to regulate greenhouse gases, including a right of action against wealthy industrialized nations. The New York Times reports that such an opinion is unsurprisingly expected to lead to wide-ranging claims for damages against polluting nations. The paper of record also tells us the UN's International Court of Justice is also seized of the matter. Climate justice warriors are swooning as they contemplate the largesse they might receive from the redistributive lawfare. This is a money grab and a power grab, pure and simple. All of this unaccountable globalist socialism is just another reason President Reagan refused to sign the UN Convention on the Law of the Sea, and why the Senate has rightly refused to ratify it. At this point, it should be called the ICC of the Sea. I know some of my colleagues believe we should ratify this treaty, and they mean well, but I would urge my friends on both sides of the aisle to ask themselves if they're willing to put U.S. sovereignty into the hands of the ICC of the sea. No country or entity has done more to protect the freedom of navigation than the United States. The U.S. and allied navies are the ones who protect commercial shipping lanes the global economy relies on. And self-important jurists of the ICC of the sea would do well to remember this fact the next time they consider biting the hand that feeds.